So in this easel tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to insert text here on easel. So the first thing you have to do is once you open up the easel application is to go into a design, then go to the right hand side of your screen to where sizes, layouts, text, etc. are. And you probably guessed it. Press on the text icon right here. Then go to where it says add a heading, add a subheading, or add a body text. So we're just going to go ahead here and add a heading for demonstration purposes. And I'll make it a little bit larger so that's easier for you guys to see. And it's pretty straightforward. So now what you're going to do is just edit the text right here. You can just say text. You can move it around to whatever you want. It's pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can insert text here on easel. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.